Okay, kind of a interesting video here. This is the new DICON set they did for IVE. Kind of like the set that they did for the Seraphim for them, for DICON did. So I did want to pick up the IVE ones, but with IVE, I've been trying to just focus on 3 members. I do enjoy all of them, but it's just, you know, I'm OT5 with Seraphim, OT4 Espa, just too much really. So, you know, gotta have, I mean, already probably a little too much as is, so to even go this way. But so there's the A and B sets for each member. So this is Yujin's A set I have here. Alright, and yeah, really cute. So comes with a photo card set for her. And a unit card with her and Lisa. So there we go. Then more photo cards and this nice tin. Okay, so this is it's a set. So this says 2 Yujins, 2 Gaels, 2 Ray. So looks like 2 of each member. I guess they still OT6 you a bit. Alright, really cute. Good set. Alright. Then this tin. Got this one postcard here. Stickers. Looks like more than one here. Alright, yeah, so really cute. Alright, so just Yujin and then Yujin and Wonyoung set of stickers. So obviously the 2 vets from iZone, so always nice when they're put together. And of course the magazine. So I'll flip through this rather quick. But so the theme of this DICON is I have a dream. Right, and yeah, this one I do wonder if they're not going to be member specific, if this is going to be the same for each member. Just actually, I do think that's what they do with the other ones. Is just the cover is different, but the inside's the same. So I'll flip through this one a little bit slower, and then if the other ones happen to be the same, then of course I won't flip through. Of course, you know, DICON being a magazine, this album's great. Looks really good, really nice quality, really bright. They do seem to like pairing up Yujin and Liz a lot because you know, same deal with the concert. They did the duet together. Oh, sorry, skip the page. Alright, yep, they do pairs. It's cute. Cute pair. Then Wonyoung, of course. Liz. think this comeback with Switch with her gray and the purple hair, really fantastic look for her. And then behind the scenes, really cool, cute. Okay, some shots from their concert in London. Cool, cool. Oh, geez. Really hard to flip through it at the end. These last pages. Love the beret. Great. Awesome. So yeah, it's the first one. Now this is the B set. So the first one was I Have a Dream, and then this one is titled I Have a Fantasy. So okay, it comes with this cute acrylic here. Okay, this Yujin and Wonyoung pairing there. And then yeah, this looks like it's just the one. The frame, it's cute, double-sided. So it's got the teddy bear backpack. Yeah, it's really, really cool. Okay, very cute. It looks like you pull that into a box, or let's see. Yeah. Oh no, kind of a fold this in half and then you put this through the slot, looks like. So maybe it's just like a little triangle fold. Okay, great. Just the pages there. And then the book. So and so obviously this one's a lot more cute style all around. Oh. Love the slippers there. Cute. Gaeul. I mean, they always pull off all these concepts really well. I think I'm trending towards, I do like the I Have a Dream version a little bit more. I kind of like their serious looks. I mean, look great in both, but yeah, I think I just kind of prefer that a little more, though. But yeah, you know, I guess based on the preference of which set you prefer, if you're just gonna get the one, you could get which one, you know, is your preference, of course. Oh, jeez. It's a pretty thick book, that's why it's kind of finding it a little difficult to flip independent pages towards the end. Again, they chose the London shoot, and I guess London is just a very good venue to do shots in. I kind of noticed that too when they did the ESPA film. They did a lot of the sets from London. All right, so that was the fantasy version. I'll move to Wonyoung's version here. Alright, so far, okay. So the tin set is the same. So, which makes sense. It was a set of all of them. And then one sec. Did I have a unit card? No. So yeah, just had 12 cards each member. Just make sure they look the same. Yep. All right. So feel confident on the first two. Yeah. So same set, same design for the case. Of course, this one is going to be Wonyoung, so that's different. All right. So I guess if you pick up one dream set, you will get the same cards there, and then obviously you pick the member that you want of. Then yeah, Wonyoung and Ray over there. I'm sorry, Liz. Wonyoung and Liz. It's a little late. Okay. Let's see who the sticker set here is. The previous one was with Yujin, was with Wonyoung. Maybe this one will also be Liz, because that's what they chose for the unit card. Let's take a look. Oh, no, okay. Alright, still Wonyoung and Yujin. Alright. Oh no. Okay. One Polaroid or postcard. Okay, so yeah, same book. You could tell just also by the fact that it starts with Yujin. So the only thing that's different is the cover, and then the inside flap. It's gonna have Wonyoung and Liz. Alright, let's go with her B set. Okay, so same deal with the acrylic. It's a really cute dress there with the bow. So, yep, same group card. So I guess that doesn't change too much. Then same deal here, double-sided card. All right, cute. And then yeah, TMI note, cover is the same. You can assume it's the same. Then same deal with the book. The inside's going to be the same. So really, it's just the cover. And the inside flap's going to be the same. Screw. Oh, the back is different here. So Wonyoung and Yujin there as well. Okay, great. And then last, I have Gaeul. Okay. Alrighty. It's Gaeul and Lisa. So I guess that's the pairing. They did the same thing with the photo card. Here's the postcard. And then of course, the only thing different, and the tin, you could already tell, it's the same. And yeah, inside's exactly the same, so I'll just appreciate the cover. The inside flap, really cute. I do think Gaeul, especially with Lisa, definitely gives off very big sister vibes. So I always like to see that with the pairings. All right, I'll go with her B set. Okay. So acrylic. Cookie. Then yeah, her and Lisa. Cute. And then let's see what the double-sided card is. Very cute. Of course, this is all the same. And here's this cover and this back. Alrighty. Yeah, that's it for DICONs. Thanks for watching.